I am at Hartford Hotel, BW Signature Collection, City of Rosemead, California, last renovated in year of 2017. The BW Signature Collection is an upper-mid-scale soft brand portfolio under the Best Western Hotels umbrella. It features unique, independent hotels that maintain their local charm while leveraging Best Western's global reservation system and loyalty program. Hartford Hotel is located just off Interstate Highway 10, Exit 26B Rosemead Blvd, and cross Rosemead Boulevard is Rosemead Place Shopping Center, a mall with many restaurants and stores. Hartford Hotel is a 3-level building with 36 guest rooms and limited parking spaces. There are several electric car chargers at parking lots. First floor is where the welcome counter, ice and vending machine and breakfast lounge located. Self-parking is free at this hotel. Hartford Hotel. Each guest room with bathroom provides complimentary Wi-Fi and flat-screen TVs, as well as mini fridges, microwaves, and coffee makers. There is no gym or swimming pool inside hotel, but guests can get free pass to neighbor UFC Gym. UFC Gym Rosemead is an MMA-inspired fitness center featuring a full-service gym. UFC Gym Rosemead opens 24 hours on most days. Breakfast is a buffet style and with many selections at first floor. Breakfast buffet is free and starts from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The check-in time is starting from 3 p.m. and check-out time ends 11 a.m. I booked the standard twin room with free breakfast for about $120 on Sunday. Coffee and tea bags are provided at each guest room. Guests need to pay security deposit $100 for each room. If you pay cash, you can get $100 back after if no damages are found.
I'm in the HARTFORD Hotel located in the city of Rosemead. Here are the breakfast. We have the waffle, scrambled egg, boiled egg, sausage, hash brown, milk, the cake, juice, yogurt, banana, and coffee. Let's drink the coffee. Very rich, very good taste of coffee. Good. The egg is soft and tender. Good scrambled egg. It's well seasoned. Good savory taste. Good sausage. It is soft. Real seasoning. Good savory taste. Good hash brown. Boiled egg. It is fresh. Well cooked boiled egg. This is the waffle. We have 4 waffle here. Raisin on top, strawberry on top, cereal on top, and butter. Let's try this waffle. We have raisin, strawberry, butter, syrup, and waffle all together. Waffle is soft with everything together. Very nice, plenty of flavor. Good waffle. I try the sweet with chocolate muffin, Danish chocolate donut. Let's try this. This is the chocolate muffin. Soft, fresh, good chocolate muffin. Try the Danish. Soft and fresh, good Danish. Try this chocolate donut. Soft and fresh, good chocolate donut. Let's try the strawberry yogurt with banana. It's good, not too sweet. It's good strawberry yogurt with banana. Here are drinks: coffee, milk, orange juice, apple juice. There's orange juice. Not too sweet. Good orange juice. I try this apple juice. Not too sweet. Good apple juice.
After staying at Hartford Hotel for one night, here are my ratings of this hotel from 1 to 5. Location 4 out of 5, Wi-Fi quality 5 out of 5, cleanliness 4 out of 5, comfort level 4 out of 5, and value for money 5 out of 5. The pros are the location and convenience. Close to Target, CVS, and restaurants. Daily hot breakfast buffet is delicious. The service is nice and friendly. Cons are, the hotel air conditioner is so loud. Soundproofing is poor. Guests can hear noise from neighbor residents. Dear friends, I love staying at hotel and enjoy breakfast buffet for weekend getaway. If you like to know about American chain hotels and their breakfast, I have a playlist on my channel that lists the hotels I visited. If you want to know more about Rosemead, I also have a playlist on my channel that lists the places I visited. Thanks for watching my video. I'd love your encouragement and suggestions to help improve my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, write your comments, share my videos, and follow my IG and Facebook accounts. Please shop the items via my links to support the channel. I appreciate your support.